Samsung has just surprised us with something pretty exciting. The One UI 8.0 beta update is here for the Galaxy S23 series earlier than expected. Now, if you remember, Samsung rolled out the beta for the Galaxy S24, Z Flip 6, and Z Fold 6 last month. But today, it's the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra that are finally getting in on the action. And the best part, the beta program has officially opened up in India, with more countries expected to join soon. So what's inside this update? It comes with firmware version S91XBXXU8ZUHB, weighs about 3.1 gigs, and also brings the September 2025 security patch. That means you're not just getting new features from Android 16-based One UI 8.0, but also the latest security improvements. If you want to try it out, just head to the Samsung Members app, sign up for the beta program, and you'll be able to download it. Just keep in mind, it's beta software, so expect bugs here and there. So Galaxy S23 owners, are you jumping on this update right away, or are you waiting for the stable release? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest Samsung updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Samsung is fine-tuning fresh One UI 8 beta builds for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S25, with the stable release getting closer. Tipster Akhilesh Kumar discovered that Samsung has updated beta builds for both lineups on its servers. This suggests the Galaxy S25 may receive one more beta release before the stable version goes live. For the Galaxy S24 series, it likely means Samsung is applying the finishing touches ahead of the second beta rollout. Overall, this development is encouraging. Samsung is known to test several firmware versions before making them public, and the same applies to beta software. Recently, another Galaxy S24 build was spotted, either of which could become the next beta release. Kumar also shared the expected One UI 8 beta firmware versions for these flagships. For the Galaxy S24 series, it is S928BXXU4ZUHB, while the Galaxy S25 carries S938 NKSU5ZUHB. Based on these builds, the Galaxy S24 firmware is being tested globally, whereas the Galaxy S25 build is specific to Korea. The hope now is that these updates won't take long and will arrive right on schedule. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.